World female population is more than male population. In the USA, women outnumber men by 7.8 million. New York alone has 1 million more females as compared to the number of males, and of the male population of New York, 1/3 are gays, i.e. sodomites. The USA as a whole has more than 25 million gays. This means that these people do not wish to marry women. Great Britain has 4 million more females as compared to males. Germany has 5 million more females as compared to males. Russia has 9 million more females than males. God alone knows how many million more females there are in the whole world as compared to males. Restricting each and every man to have only one wife is not practical. Even if every man got married to one woman, there would still be more than 30 million females in USA who would not be able to get husbands. Considering that America has 25 million gays, there would be more than 4 million females in Great Britain, 5 million females in Germany, and 9 million females in Russia alone who would not be able to find a husband. Suppose my sister happens to be one of the unmarried women living in USA, or suppose your sister happens to be one of the unmarried women in USA. The only two options remaining for her are that she either marries a man who already has a wife or becomes public property. There is no other option. All those who are modest will opt for the first. Most women would like to share their husband with other women. But in Islam, when the situation deems it really necessary, Muslim women in due faith could bear a small personal loss to prevent a greater loss of letting other Muslim sisters becoming public properties.